Objective Hydrogeology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the collection from various previous years question papers and hope useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI, Civil Services exam, ONGC and other exams. Welcome to set 1. First question, the karst topography has been named from its type area in. So actually from where this karst topography has been named. So the choices are, this was the question asked in UPSC Geologists 1989. So choices are A. Yugoslavia, B. Italy, C. USA, D. Norway. So actually this has been named from its type area in Yugoslavia. So A is the correct answer. Next question. The karst water is found in the terrain of. Generally karst water means it is found in the limestone terrain. So choices are A. Sandstone, B. Granite, C. Limestone and D. Basalt. So obviously C. Limestones is the correct answer. Next question. A lost river is found in. It's also a very straight question. A. Granitic terrains, B. Sandstone terrains, C. Shale terrains and D. Limestone terrains. Generally lost river is found in the limestone where the drainage ends up there. So that's why it is known as a lost river. So the correct answer is D. Limestone. Next question. Isohyets are the points joining the areas of equal A. Pressure, B. Temperature, C. Rainfall, D. Salinity. The correct answer is C. Rainfall. Isohyets are the points joining the areas of equal rainfall. Next question. Water that is formed in the sedimentary rocks at the time of their formation is called A. Connate water, B. Meteoric water, C. Vadose water and D. Hygroscopic water. So the correct answer is connate water. This is formed, the water that is formed in the sedimentary rocks at the time of its formation or deposition. Next question. The water that is found in the zone of aeration is known as A. Groundwater, B. Vadose water, C. Capillary water and D. Primary water. So that is known as vadose water, the water that is in the zone of aeration. Whereas in the zone of saturation, that is known as a groundwater or water table. So correct answer is B. Next question. The water that is trapped in the sediment or bed against gravity is called A. Capillary water, B. Gravitational water, C. Hygroscopic water and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is C. Hygroscopic water. This is nothing but the water that is stored in a sediment or trapped in the sediment against the gravity. Next question. The water that is available to the soil is known as A. Pellicular water, B. Capillary water, C. Hygroscopic water and D. Gravitational water. So the correct answer is A. Pellicular water. This is known as the water which is available to the soil. Next question. Which is not a mode of precipitation? A. Rainfall, B. Hail, C. Snow melt, D. Snowfall. So obviously snow melt is not a mode of precipitation, whereas rainfall, hail and snowfall, all these are the modes of precipitation or next question. Artesian conditions are found in A. Kadalur sandstone, B. Dwarka beds, C. Tirupati sandstone, D. None of these. Generally, in the Kadalur sandstone, we can see the artesian condition where the water is under pressure and the water will comes out automatically. So this is known as this is found in the A. Kadalur sandstone. Next question. Which of the following places has shown a great utilization of hot thermal springs? A. Puga Valley, B. Spiti Valley, C. Narmada Valley and D. Tapi Valley. Generally Puga Valley, this is very well known for the hot water springs or thermal springs. So A is the correct answer. Next question. A confined aquifer becomes an unconfined aquifer when the piezometric surface it goes above the confining bed, B. It goes below the confining bed, C. It coincides with the confining beds and D. None of this. So generally confined becomes unconfined when the piezometric surface goes below the confining bed. So B is the correct answer. Next question. The presence of saline water is indicated by A. Phreatophytes, B. Halophytes, C. Hydrophytes, D. Xerophytes. Generally the presence of saline water is indicated by phreatophytes. Next question. Which of the following formations show primary permeability? A. Sandstone, B. Gravel, C. Limestone, D. Shale. Generally, the primary permeability is present in the gravel. Next question. The permeability in the case of the clays can be determined by A. Constant headed permeameter, B. Falling head permeameter, non-discharging permeameter, D. None of the above. So correct answer is the permeability in clays is determined by non-discharging permeameter. Next question. The property of the rocks which is given by the total volume of the open spaces is termed as, this is also a very simple definition. A. Porosity, B. Permeability, C. Surface tension, D. Viscosity. So generally porosity is nothing but the property where the rocks have the total volume of the open spaces. It is known as the porosity. Next question. Periodic and short-term fluctuation of groundwater are caused due to A. Changes in the atmospheric pressure, B. Recharge and discharge by stream, C. Tides affecting the piezometric level, and D. None of this. Periodic and short-term fluctuation in groundwater are caused due to recharge and discharge by the streams. Next question. If groundwater is withdrawn from a well adjacent to a river stream, then A. It does not affect the recharge, B. It has no effect on the water table, C. It leads to induced recharge, and D. None of the above. So here C. It leads to induced recharge. If groundwater is withdrawn from a well adjacent to the river stream, then it is called forcefully we are recharging. That means it leads to induced recharge. Next question. Groundwater in hard rock terrains can be tapped by A. Digging tube wells, B. Building tanks, C. Digging open wells of large diameters, and D. None of the above. Generally, groundwater in hard rock terrains, it can be done by digging open wells of large diameters. Next question. In granitic rocks, the groundwater is mostly located at A. Crests of the folds, B. Planes of schistosity, C. Fracture zones, and D. None of this. Generally, fracture zones are good locales for groundwater in granitic rocks. So C is the correct answer.